everyone, I am Teacher Mate. Welcome to ITV, Instructional Teaching Videos in ICT. Join us and together we will explore and discover the world of technology. Happy learning!
Good day, learners. I am Mama Tet, and welcome to the Empowerment Technology class. Before we proceed to our very first lesson, let us answer the pre-test to check your prior knowledge about the topic. Let us begin. For our first question, how could information and communication technology or ICT helps in the field of education? Question number 2. Why is it that a smartphone is considered as an example of technological convergence? For our third question, how could information and communication technology or ICT helps in the field of space exploration? Question number 4. Why do you think smartphones outpaced laptops and personal computers? And for our last question, it deals with the use of different communication technology to locate, save, send, and edit information. So stay connected because today we are going to discuss about our first lesson, which is Introduction to Information and Communication Technologies. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to improve knowledge on how ICT affects our lives in the state of our nation, and compose an insightful reflection paper on the nature of ICT in the context of your life, society, and professional tracks. For example, arts, tech voc, sports, or academic. From the moment you were born as Generation Z learners, you were surrounded by the technology. You are surrounded by ICT. So what is ICT? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It deals with the use of different communication technologies such as mobile phones, telephones, and internet to locate, save, send, and edit information. Those technologies which enable society to create, collect, consolidate, communicate, manage, and process information in multimedia and various digital formats for different purposes by using telecommunications techniques. So how about we will go specifically in our country? Several international companies dub the Philippines as the ICT hub of Asia. And why is that? Because there is a huge growth of ICT-related jobs around the country, one of which is the call centers or the BPO companies. According to the 2013 of Measure the Information Society by the International Telecommunication Union, there is 106.8 cell phones per 100 Filipinos in the year 2012. And that would mean that every Filipinos you meet, there is a high chance that they have cell phones. And to add to these statistics, Time magazine states that there are 2 cities in the Philippines known as the selfiest cities around the world of 2013. So what is the importance of ICT? ICT has resulted in revolutionizing the way people communicate and for government and firms to interact and conduct business. ICT revolution, most specifically the internet, to altered So what is the importance of ICT? ICT has resulted in revolutionizing the way people communicate and for government and firms to interact and conduct business. ICT had revolution, most especially the internet, has altered the ways people around the world communicate, live, learn, play, and work. So how does ICT affect the Philippines in general? It helps in easy exchange of communication to make sure that we are not left behind. Improved Filipino education, easy and more efficient business management, improved Philippine government services, and ICT strengthens the economy. Now, let us further discuss about ICT in the context of global communication. ICT plays an important part in our lives and in all aspects of our society. ICT has become the main method of communication, getting information and education, attaining services from business, hospitals, utilities, government, purchasing products and services, doing personal and business transactions, and expressing social advocacies and awareness. The first sector is education. Computers in schools are used for fast, easy, and effective instruction and learning. Courses on the internet called online instructions are available to learn various lessons. And of course, students uses computers to type reports, to do their assignments, and communicate with teachers. Next one, we have telecommunications. Computers in homes, schools, private and government offices, hospitals, and almost everywhere are used to get in touch with other people. Everyone uses the computer to send messages and other information all over the world. Computers are used to send letters, pictures, video clips, and music. The third one, we have commerce. Shops and supermarkets use software which calculates the bill and efficiently process both cash and credit transactions. Online shopping continues to grow in popularity since it provides a lot of choices for items and pricing from various sources, as well as the convenience of doing everything at home or place where you would rather go. Next one, we have sports and recreation. There are simulation software where athletes can practice their skills and the computer will identify the flaws in their techniques. Computers and television stations and movie outfits are used by movie directors to create special effects for TV and movies, to make watching movies exciting and truly entertaining. Next one, we have arts, design, and music. ICT plays a big role in image and graphic design, photo editing, and music arrangements. Music and videos are shared online by their creators and can be downloaded for a fee or for free. It also plays a big role in media and visual arts, like architecture, interior design, and landscape architecture. Also in animation, web design, and mobile designs. And also for photography, film making, and audio and video. Another one, we have health services. Computers in hospitals are used by doctors to store medical data, patients' records, research materials, and other information to effectively diagnose and treat patients. Online health information and consultations are now available on the internet. Computers in operating rooms assist doctors perform microsurgery with accuracy and better chances of success. ICT also helps a lot in science and research. Modern laboratories have computers used by chemists to invent materials, medicine, and products to improve life. Physicists look for a new, renewable, safe, and affordable power sources using computers. Mathematicians solve complex problems with the use of super-fast computers. Inventors design and test their products on the computer. Next, we have travel and bookings. Airline fares and tickets are now paid online. Hotel and housings are also reserved using the internet, and even ship travels are also booked online. Travel routes and maps can be downloaded on your PDAs or print maps to ensure you will travel faster and not get lost on the trip. Computers in airports are used by air traffic controllers to control and schedule takeoff and landing of planes to ensure safety. Cars, boats, and other gadgets are equipped with navigational aids. Business and accounting. Computers in groceries are used by cashiers to store prices of goods, determine inventory of goods, and locate the goods in the store. Next, we have banking. Almost all of our financial transactions are done by computer software. They provide ease, security, speed, and convenience. Banks use computers so that people can get and deposit money at any time of the day. They can also use computers to record customers' account information. Computers help banks do business away from their location, example of which is the ATM. Engineering and architect. Architects design houses, buildings, and bridges using computer-aided design or CAD program, which is a lot faster and presentable. Civil engineers use computers to calculate the strength of a footing and foundation of a building. Electrical engineers, on the other hand, design and determine electrical power requirements of a building and houses. Mechanical engineers use computer in their work to design and build machineries and vehicles such as cars, boats, and airplanes. Space exploration. Computers are likewise used in Earth control stations for the spacecraft and satellite and mission. Computers are also used on satellites and control stations to monitor weather, transmit voice and data, and other applications around the world. And the last one, we have military applications. Computers use software embedded in many modern weapons to ensure accuracy and precision. Computers also process valuable information or intelligence, especially impending terrorist attacks. So in general, ICT has definitely changed the way we live and enjoy life. So hooray for today! Did you learn something from our lesson? So if yes, I need you to answer this reflection in a whole sheet of paper. So share about your information and communications technology experiences. What tools did you usually use? What do you like about these tools? If none, just state your overview about information and communications technology and its importance. So thank you so much for watching and happy learning!